Wow, more pancakes! I only got one.
Noah is still growing. Good morning, Noah.
Morning, Mom.
Breakfast is ready.
Mom always gives him more.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Nobody notices me. Mom, look at my drawing.
Amazing!
I made one too.
That's nice, dear. Why are you sad?
Mom loves Noah more. Look, Mom!
Great job!
Mom never helps me.
Emma?
It is always Noah.
Sometimes parents are busy, but it hurts. Chocolate for Noah.
Yay! What about me?
Oh, sorry, Emma.
Emma looks upset.
Really? You should notice her feelings.
Why are you crying? Nothing. I love you, Emma. Maybe I am not important. Oh no.
Now you understand. Emma, come here.
Yes?
I need to say sorry.
This is for you. Really? You are my best sister.